Okay, guys, we're going to be doing
Wow.
certified cuts football here.
Woo. That ties it up, folks.
It's going to be one box break, 2 random teams each. So we'll double up the names on the side. And again, it's 2017 Panini Donruss certified cuts football, 1 box break number 15, 2 random teams each. So I've got the teams in there, and we will get the names in next. And again, this is this is 2 random teams each. So we'll double up the names here. So we have 32 spots. As you can see here. So we just double the names up here. Okay, everybody's in double for 32 spots to match the 32 teams. So we've got our teams in. We've got our names in. Now let's roll the dice for the box first, okay? So we're going to look for... Let's see what box it comes up with. I think it came up with 7. No, it came up with 9. Box number 9, I don't know if we have a 9. Let me look here. Let's see if we have a box 9. No, 8. 1. 5. 6. 4. 2. I do not think we have a 9. Oh, yep, we do. That's a 6. I do not think we have 9. 2 and 4. No 9. Let's roll again. 8. I think we have an 8. Yes, we have box 8. So there's box 8 right there. All right, box 8, guys. All right, now let's we'll roll the dice again now for the names and the teams. We're going to do this 7 times, so lucky 7. Let's first randomize the names. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. David on top, Dennis on the bottom. So David on top, Dennis on bottom. And we'll change all this out in a second here. And now we'll randomize the teams. So we're also going to do this 7 times, the same as the names. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Rams on top, Titans on the bottom.
Change that every time. Can't do it that way. Do this that way now.
So this should be...
See, now the other one's gone. It's not picking the record. You know what I mean? You start a new one each time.
Gotcha. Let's print out the list.
This stuff is nice. I like this.
The cuts is nice because besides getting potentially a good rookie, the list of cuts and signatures from past players is really nice. Let's get that printed. And I'll show you guys the list and then we will get going. Okay, everybody, so here's what we have. If you didn't look on there, I'll let you guys scroll through that real quick. There we go. All right, everybody, good luck. Reggie wants to know if anybody's interested in that 2017 Leaf Metal that he just got. Got an empty box. Good luck, everybody. I'll do half a stack at a time. And we'll get to the second half in a second. We'll do the second half next. Good luck. Regular base, regular base. Highlight reel, not numbered. Dalton, Des Bryant, Matt Forte. Here's our first hit. Demarius Thomas, Denver Broncos. Going out to Jose. Congratulations. Congratulations, Jose. Base. 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 Walter Payton. Number to 399. Sweetness. Chicago Bears. Going out to Dennis. Congratulations, Dennis. Paxton Lynch base, Derek Carr base, Marvin Jones, a great expectations, Patrick Mahomes, not numbered, Odell Beckham, Brandon Cooks, Todd Gurley, our next hit, modern day heroes, Sterling Shepard jersey for the New York Giants. Congratulations, that one going out to Dennis again. 2 hits, Dennis. Congratulations. Nice hit. Mike Glennon, Julius Peppers, Jason Witten. A numbered rookie, Matthew Days, Cleveland Browns. Number 28 of 399. Going out to Jason. Congratulations, Jason. And then another base. I'll double check just to see if anything's numbered, but all the numbering's usually on the front, so. Now we'll get to the second stack. All right, here we go. See if Dennis can keep up the roll here. All right, our second half of the break. Here we go, everybody. We have a base Amir Abdul, a base Antonio Brown, Canton-bound Julio Jones, Jordan Matthews, David Johnson, Marshawn Lynch, numbered Kelvin Benjamin. 47 of 99 going to the Carolina Panthers for Reginald Booker. Congratulations, Reginald. Back to base Frank Gore, base Derrick Henry, a Brady. Our next hit is a Raider autograph. Elijah Hood, 1 of 99. Going out to Dennis. Another hit, Dennis. One of 99. Here you go. Sam Bradford, Joey Bosa, Matt Stafford, Derek Carr, Jalen Ramsey, Jarvis Landry, Carson Palmer. We've got a nice one here. Whoa, look at that one, baby. Certified cut Patrick Mahomes autograph and sweet Chiefs jersey swatch in the corner. It is not numbered, but that is a pretty card. Going out to Edwin with the Chiefs. Let's look at that one again. That's a nice hit. Congratulations, Edwin. Rounding out the rest of our box, we have some base. I don't think anything else is numbered here. We have a Christian McCaffrey, Great Expectations, and Crowell on the Browns. So that pretty much rounds out that break. Again, we had the Mahomes, the Elijah Hood auto, numbered Benjamin, numbered Matthew Days, the Sterling Shepard jersey, the numbered Walter Payton, and the Demaryius Thomas Modern Day Heroes. Thank you, everybody. That was 2017 Panini Donruss Certified Cuts Football 1-box break number 15. We will see you next time at 10buckbreaks.com.